Hi, I'm Tom with the FCB Launch channel, and in this quick tip for FreeCAD I will show you how to create continuous draft dimensions in FreeCAD. So continuous dimensions are the ones, like you can see here, that there's one dimension behind another. So let's take a look at how we will create them here at the top. And there has been an improvement in FreeCAD 1.1 in this feature. So I will start the standard dimension and create it like so, the standard way. And if I wanted to do it manually, I would then create another one and I would have to click here, here, and then snap here again. So it will be quite tedious to create all of them. So actually I will delete these two. And to create the continuous dimension, I will start the dimension tool again, but here I will check the chain mode on. This chain mode means continuous dimension. So now I will create the first one as per usual. So these 3 clicks, but when I create it, the command does not end and I'm continuing the dimension in the direction I created the first one. So then I can click here, here, and it's creating the chain dimension. I will move my view, click here. After I created all of these points, the dimensions don't show up, but when I hit close, you can see that these chained or continuous dimensions were created at once. The same can be applied here in the vertical direction. So if I start the command, again, the direction of the first dimension is important, so from bottom to top, and then the chain mode is used from the last command. Then I can click here, here, and here, hit close, and this is how I create continuous dimensions in the Draft Workbench. I hope this was useful, and I will see you in the next one.